Chicken, can I help you?
Yeah, hi, how are you?
What do you need?
My brother's going to come down today. He's going to make a big, big order, okay?
What does he want?
Just take down his name because it's a very, very big order. Do you have a pen handy?
Go ahead.
His name is Maitur.
What is it, Maitur?
It's spelled M-I-T-U-R, and his last name is B-I-N-E-S-D-E-R-T-Y.
My turban is dirty?
Your turban is dirty?
You motherfucker. Chicken, can I help you?
Hello?
Yes, what can I get for you?
Yeah, is your chicken fresh?
It's fresh. How many pieces do you need?
Is your buffalo wing sauce spicy?
Yes, it's spicy. What do you want?
Yeah, is your turban dirty?
Your mother is dirty, you piece of Chicken, how can I help you?
Hello?
What do you need?
Is Mike there?
Mike who?
Mike Turban is dirty?
तू पागल है, मर जा, जहन्नुम में जा, कमीने.